Hello robots, welcome back to Robu.in. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to announce the winners for this giveaway. So stay tuned throughout the video. You might be the winner. Before we announce the winners, I would like to mention few things. The winners that are announced are random and they are chosen by the tool named Glim. We have noticed 53 invalid entries. Well, what are invalid entries? Well, when you follow a certain, for an instance, and then you unfollow them, that is called invalid entry. That is, if you follow a person on Instagram and then you unfollow them after you have submitted your entry in the giveaway, that is noted as invalid entry on Glim. Third point, if you are not selected as the winner in this giveaway, it is completely fine. At Robu.in, we have something for everyone. Also, we are going to organize more such giveaways in the future. So make sure to subscribe to Robu.in, hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we launch the giveaway. Fourth point, in the next month or so, we are going to organize a competition in which you have to build a project. So gear up robots, stay tuned and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you can get notified about the competition as well. Now then, without any further ado, let's jump into see our winners. Alright guys, I know you guys are excited to see the winners for this giveaway. I am as well. As you guys can see, there are 41,000 entries on our website. Thank you guys for the support. The competition is ended and as you can see, it is 11:08 AM right now, 26th of July 2021. That is Monday. The date is today, 26th July. So yeah, here I am on the site of Glim. As you can see, there are 53 invalid actions. The invalid actions I was talking about are these. So these invalid entries are deleted. And now, as you guys know, we are going to announce 6 winners. So we'll just draw the winners right now. And it's loading. I'm getting impatient. Alright guys, you have the winners on your screen. Congratulations to all 6 of them. Also, to give a personal touch to this, I like to speak in Hindi. अगर आप ये गिव अवे नहीं जीते, it's okay, it's completely fine. नाराज होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आगे हम बहुत सारे गिव अवेज ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले हैं. वहाँ पे आप अच्छे से एंट्री सबमिट कीजिए. जितना जल्दी आप एंट्री सबमिट करेंगे, उतने आपके चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे. Congratulations to all the winners, all the 6 winners. A heartful congratulations to you guys. You have been selected from the 41,000 entries. Guys, if you look closely, this number is too big and you 6 guys have been selected from them. As you guys know, these people are selected randomly without any bias. This is completely unbiased selection. You saw that it was live in front of you. Our team will contact these winners. So if you are one of these winners, make sure you check your mailbox tomorrow because we are gonna contact you tomorrow, and make sure you give your details correctly so that we can get your package delivered as soon as possible. When you receive the product, make sure you click the photo of it, mention that this was given by Robu.in in the recent giveaway, tag Robu.in in your story and post it so that we can see the smile on your face, and this will make our day. Rest of them, do not get demotivated. मैंने पहले भी बताया, नाराज होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत सारे ऐसे गिवअवेज आने वाले हैं इन फ्यूचर. सो मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू Robu.in, प्रेस द बेल आइकन. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए Robu.in को, प्रेस द बेल आइकन ताकि आप कोई भी अपडेट गिवअवे के रिलेटेड मिस ना करें. There is always something for everyone at Robu.in. This is what I would like to say in the end of this video. We will be coming up with more giveaways in future. Until next time, stay tuned, stay safe at Robu.in.